Thank you for watching Easy channel, and let's start for today. First video. Watch out for pedestrians. I don't know if he went into reverse or if he didn't pull the handbrake. A red light runner has made an accident.
Damn.
And
That's what you get for running a red light, you dumbass.
wow, and how did I mark this thing? Well, that's annoying
Yes.
to these people. What, it was this idiot that ran?
Yeah, this truck.
Be especially careful if the pedestrians are children. Don't think you can control car on ice.
Big trucks, big opportunity, and a $5,000 sign-on bonus at Stoughton Trucking. OTR truck drivers. Stoughton Trucking is hiring professionals. State-of-the-art equipment, world-class support, safety bonuses, full benefits, and a 5K sign-on bonus. Stoughton-trucking.com. Get rolling today.
For adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis or candidates for systemic or phototherapy, now there's Skyrizi, Risankizumab Riza, a prescription-only 150 milligram injection. With Skyrizi, 3 out of 4 people achieve 90% clear skin at 4 months, and Skyrizi is just 4 doses a year after 2 starter doses. Damn. Don't use if allergic to Skyrizi. Serious allergic reactions and an increased risk of infections or a lower ability to fight them may occur. Before treatment.
You're not alone in traffic. There is other cars.
Struck the people with a very great plague. Here again, we see the people complain, and God responding by killing many of them with a plague. In the next chapter, Miriam and Aaron speak against Moses, and the anger of Yahweh burned against them, and he went out, and the cloud turned aside from the tent, and suddenly Miriam was leprous, like snow, and Aaron looked at Miriam, and she was leprous. Numbers chapter 12, verses 9 and 10. Again, God's judgment is immediate, divine in origin, and causes a disease as punishment. One would think that eventually the people would realize what happens when you rebel against God. They never do, which is a significant point. In chapter 13, God commands Moses to send spies from each tribe into Canaan to get the lay of the land and see what the land is like.